So in this question we have to find out which compound can be prepared in good yield by using Gabriel thalamide synthesis. So we will do the reaction. So by heating this element we will get this, and adding KOH we will get this with N minus and K plus ions. So then we will get this, and adding water to it will give this RNH2 plus this compound. So here we are getting excessive RNH2. So in this reaction the alkyl halide should be this, which can give SM2 reaction easily. So the correct option will be first, which have RNH2, where R is CH2 and benzene ring. Adding NH2 will give option first.